But what are some of those most common red flags that you see in pitch decks when founders are going out to market and looking for funding? What are some of those red flags, and almost what, as you see it, immediately kills investor interest?
The first thought that comes to mind is kind of more financial for me in terms of like metrics and numbers. But the first two red flags I would say is both capital deployment and then revenue projections. Like, don't tell me you're going to make $1 billion in year 2 of revenue. So I think controlling expectations around what you can actually generate around revenue. And then on the other side is the actual ask of capital and what deployment of capital looks like. And I've spoken about this before in terms of, well, I need to raise $10 million. Okay, what are the use of funds? Well, I need to hire 32 engineers in my first 6 months of raising this capital. And you look at that and saying, yeah, right, is it even available? So I think that the biggest red flag that I've seen is really around the financials in terms of how something is positioned. Everything else, as I mentioned, falls into best practices, and best practice fundamentally, without going on a monologue, make sure the investor can walk away knowing both what you do and how they can make money.